everyone, how's everyone going? And on this video, I wanted to give a review on most of the common question I've been getting is Paul Hilse's program. And that's what I'll be covering in this video, but I'll also be giving a review on my actual channel. And also, if you stay till the end, you'll also get to see how you can pretty much make this all the process really seamless and automated, right? So Paul Hilse, I've actually joined his program a year and a half ago, and all the knowledge and tricks, tips, strategies what I have used and really helped me to actually grow up my YouTube automation channel and business and pretty much scale my channels right to that $10,000-15,000 a month. If you go to my channel, you'll get to see, go and sort it by most popular videos. You'll get to see all my results, right? What I've been able to hit on my channels. But here's the thing, this is my personal opinion, so everyone is different, right? But let me tell you one thing is that most of the time people who actually invest in any program, any course, they actually don't have that much time, right? They have a job happening, and then on top of that they have to go and actually look for a team, find a niche and get a voiceover, thumbnail designer, video editor and all those things. That's actually is going to take a lot of time, right? And actually if you go organic route, you're going to not be making any money for about 3 4 5 or even 6 7 months, right? Because your channel will not be monetized and you'll be actually throwing out money, right? And getting your channel to blow up, it might take you maybe a couple of months to get monetized, but it's all like based on luck and your own hard work, right? That you have to put in every single day, because this is a business. It actually takes time to grow the business and to actually get momentum on your channel. That's another topic for another day, right? Most of the time I get asked a lot is how can I get my videos to go in the algorithm, right? And that's the most challenging part. No matter what program you take, if you actually not attending their mastermind calls, you pretty much going to be there's a lot of people actually get success attending the mastermind calls, but most of the time even people were actually attending the mastermind calls, they're not able to see that success, right? And it actually takes time to actually grow the channel, right? And that's what I'll be sharing with you. So Paul's program is awesome, and if you want to join his program, reach out to me as well, and I'll be giving you a lot of bonus right from my side. And so you can take the knowledge and implement and start to see that success on your channel, right? Which is going to be awesome. But if you actually don't have time to grow your channel and you just don't have time to go over all the materials in the program, here's the thing that for you, right? This is the channel that I've been growing for one of my clients, and till now we have able to hit that $21 a day, $29 a day. This channel we didn't start that long ago. If I go to lifetime, 90 days, but most of the time I start all my channels with a monetized channel, right? So you can get traction very quickly, and it all depends on the algorithm. So $30 a day, so far views we got that much, and ups and downs, and just continuously growing like every single month, because all the channels and everything that we're putting in the channel is all viral, and everything that you implement will be all based on our results and also what I've actually learned, right? So if you actually don't have time to actually go through all the training and everything and invest in a program, I'll put a link for my Facebook profile so you can reach out to me, and that way we can actually talk how we can actually grow your channel right from day one. And everything that we'll be sharing with you will be all based on our experience, and that's how we actually growing all our clients channel, right? So if you here because you want to invest in some other programs, great. I will be giving you a bonus from my side. But if you don't have time to invest in program courses, and if you just want to get results, it takes time, right? Every channel is different, and some channels take a couple of months, some channels take 1 month, some channels take 3 months, but we're going to be consistent on your channel. That way you can get results. So again, thank you so much for watching. My name is Sanjeev, and if you want us to grow your channel, there's going to be a link for my Facebook profile. You can reach out, and then